the recovery has been pretty uneven across countries. An important distinction is whether a country has had a banking crisis or not recently. For countries that didn't have a crisis, trade is pretty much almost back to normal. But for countries that recently went through a crisis, and this includes large advanced economies such as the US and much of Western Europe, trade is about 20% or more below its pre-crisis levels and much below what the pre-crisis trend would suggest. In the countries that had a crisis, trade will likely not return to normal anytime soon. What we found when looking at past banking and debt crises is that once these crises hit, imports fall substantially in the first few years of the crisis, and then they tend to stay depressed over the medium term. You don't see a strong recovery right away. For the US and Europe, or the European countries that recently had a crisis, what this means is that their import demand is likely to remain pretty weak and pretty anemic in the coming years, and even weaker than what their output recoveries would suggest.